this video, I'm going to teach you how to change ideology in Hearts of Iron 4. Now, while you can change your ideology in Hearts of Iron 4, there are going to be limited ways to do this, and you will have to follow strictly through them. If you want an easy way out, you can download this mod that allows you to change your ideology. So as you can see, this gives you the option to change your ideology at any point with a single button click. Gives you the choice to keep having elections or removing them, or introduce elections in a dictatorship. So it's up to you. If you want to do this in vanilla Hearts of Iron 4, then these are going to be the main ways. Having an election while another ideology has more than 50% support, this creates an event that enables a peaceful change of power without a civil war. Executing a coup, which is detailed here. So if you meet these requirements, having a minister, sympathies in government, military event happened, not major or puppet, at least 40% popularity, and so on, and then 100 days, you can perform a coup, which is an event that immediately changes the country's ideology. And there is going to be a reign of terror for 2 years as well. The last one is fighting and winning a civil war. The support of the conflicting ideology decides how much troops and states they get at the beginning. The last way is by using a command, but again, I'm assuming that if you are trying to play vanilla, this isn't going to be the method that you commit to. So in short, you can follow through any of these and try to get a specific ideology above 50% support, or try to get a coup or a civil war going. A way that people do this is by getting demagogues. So, for example, hire a fascist demagogue, and you can wait until it reaches 50%. Once the ideology is above 50%, you should be able to change it peacefully. Alternatively, prepare for civil war or a coup and push it through that method instead. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.